Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote here. We had one of our viewers, John, give me a call earlier today about a technique that he had used with spray paint, and he wanted to know if that would work with Cerakote. I told him I had no idea because I'd never really, I'd heard of it, but I'd never done it. So we're gonna knock out one of our little flashing pieces today. Just two random colors we're using in other projects, and we're gonna try it. Basically, it's the technique where you spray a base coat on, you'd put it in, tack it out, and then spray a wet coat over it, and then take a, he said newspaper or a Walmart bag. So instead of newspaper, which I'd be worried about transferring ink, I'm going to use just some packing paper. So we'll do that on one side and we'll do the Walmart bag on the other. And basically you just press it down in there when it's wet, pull it off, and it gives it kind of a pattern. So we're going to try that out. I've heard of it with spray paint, but I've never even really thought about trying it with Cerakote. So we'll knock that out today. Won't be doing any more talking. I'll just have the video running while we're actually doing it, and we'll have some pictures at the end as always. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your stencil needs. Have a great day.